Hello everyone, CV324 Gold K primer, and it is a good primer and it is a gel based primer, and I am going to show you the consistency first and then going to apply. So you have to wait for few minutes after applying a primer. I am using Kryolan FS28 as a base. If you have more deeper than this dark circle, then you have to use orange corrector and seal it. Applying as a base all over my face and going to blend with a blending brush. I'm going to mention product details in the description box. Please go and check. Using Lakme Rose Powder with sunscreen, applying on eyelid to set eye base for eye makeup look. I am using Sandalwood shade from Huda Beauty and applying on a crease line, blending with a blending brush and doing same thing on the other eye, taking the same shade and applying. Second color I am using Henna, so this is the shade, and applying on crease line to create a depth and doing same thing on the other eye. Now I'm using Mars palette in the shade red and applying on a crease line and blending with a blending brush. Now I'm cutting my crease with the concealer, and you can use any concealer which you have because we are going to create a cut crease look today. So I have cut my crease. Now I am going to set this with a loose powder. I am using Lakme loose powder. You can use any. If you have Maybelline and other brands, you can use that loose powder. Now I am taking this blue shade as a base from Color Board palette and applying on my eyelid and blending with a flat brush. After applying on my eyelid, I am going to do the same thing on the other eye. I am taking this beautiful glittery shade and applying all over my eyelid with a flat brush and doing same thing on the other eye. Blending is most important step of eye makeup. Using Maybelline gel liner, and it comes with a brush and it has stiff bristles to carry a eyeliner, an eyeliner brush, a smoky kajal. Using Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara in the shade black, and it's a waterproof mascara. I'm applying on my lashes. I am using MAC foundation in the shade NC25 and applying in a dot motion and blending with a blending brush. If you do not blend it properly, it will going to create a patch on your face which will not going to look good. And do not forget your neck. I am using PAC contour powder to sharpen my facial features like nose contouring, cheek contouring and jawline contouring. If you are a beginner, you do not take more product at once because it will create a mess for you. Take small amount and then going to build layer by layer. Using Mars blusher, using this both pinks and creating a new pink. Whenever you apply a blusher, just smile and apply. It will going to look flawless on your skin. PAC baked highlighter, applying on my high points of my face like forehead, nose, cheeks, cupid. The area you want to pop up, use highlighter, and the area which you do not want to highlight, use contour to hide. Miss Clear lip liner in the shade Rose Red. Lining your lips will create a perfect shape for your lips. Smashbox lipstick in the shade Red, and it has a easy applicator to use. Filling lips with lining lips to achieve perfect shape of lips. Now I had completed my look with this lipstick. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like, please share to your family and friends, and please give a big support through subscribe to my channel. It's a free of cost, and become a part of my family, my YouTube family, Manpreet Makija Vlogs.